This video is on asset disposal. Almost every asset reaches the end of life at some point in time, whether that asset is a workstation, hard drive, piece of backup media, or something else. Care needs to be taken when disposing of that asset to reduce risk of sensitive data falling into the wrong hands. Especially more so considering that the storage capacity of devices these days are now greater than a few years ago. And a lot of users now store all of their files on a small drive that they transport with them. A policy needs to be created and implemented governing the disposal of assets that hold data. It should include numerous options of what can be done to include performing factory resets, wiping data, sanitizing the device before disposal, and so forth. A factory reset simply erases your data and wipes your configuration. There are numerous tools that allow you to recover your data even after a factory reset. Sanitizing removes the data and the traces of it. This is usually done with the storage devices such as hard drive and is often referred to as purging. Data sanitization is just the process of deliberately, permanently, and irreversibly removing or destroying the data stored in a memory device. Wiping goes further than purging and is also known as overwriting. With wiping, the data that was there in the first place is replaced with something else and then removed. That way, if the data is somehow recovered, what comes back is the overwritten data rather than the original data. The simplest overwrite technique writes a pattern of zeros over the original data. And of course, there's physical destructions like burning, melting, pulverizing, and degaussing as well.